Here's how to factory reset your Kindle. This erases all your personal data and restores the device to its factory settings. So make sure anything important has been backed up first. If you're gonna sell or give away your Kindle, then you will definitely want to do this unless it's to a family member. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and click on settings. If this video helps, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. Now, that's by hitting the three dots, and once we get into settings, then we're gonna go ahead and click on device options. Now you will see reset. Go ahead and click on that. As you can see, it says, this action will remove all downloaded or transferred content from your Kindle, and your settings will not be saved. You will still be able to download items from the cloud, and then it asks you to confirm, do you want to reset? So make sure you have a backup of everything, and then go ahead and push yes. Wait several minutes, wait while your Kindle erases all the data and restarts, and then it's gonna reboot. And then once the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your Kindle again, just like it was new. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Make sure that your account is also signed out when you give it to someone else. All right, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.